Question number 1. For true difference in elevations between 2 points A and B, the level must be set up. Option A, at any point between A and B. Option B, at the exact midpoint of A and B. Option C, near the point A. Option D, near the point B. Here the correct answer is option B, at the exact midpoint of A and B. Next question, the sensitiveness of a level tube decreases if option A, radius of curvature of its inner surface is increased. Option B, diameter of the tube is increased. Option C, length of the vapor bubble is increased. Option D, both viscosity and surface tension are increased. Here the correct answer is option D, both viscosity and surface tension are increased. The sensitiveness of a level tube decreases if both viscosity and surface tension are increased. Next question, if the radius of a simple curve is r, the length of the chord for calculating offsets by the method of chords produced should not exceed option A, r by 10, option B, r by 15, option C, r by 20, and option D, r by 25. Here the correct answer is option C, r by 20. Next question, the main principle of surveying is to work option A, from part to the whole, option B, from whole to the part, option C, from higher level to the lower level, option D, from lower level to higher level. For this question the correct answer is from whole to the part. So option B, from whole to the part, is the correct answer. The main principle of surveying is to work option B, from whole to the part. Next question, true meridians are generally preferred to magnetic meridians because option A, this coverage to a point, option B, this change due to change in time, option C, this remain constant, and option D, none of this. Here the correct answer is option C, this remains constant. True meridians are generally preferred to magnetic meridians because option C, this remains constant. Next question, while viewing through a level telescope and moving the eye slightly, a relative movement occurs between the image of the leveling staff and the crosshairs. The instrument is option A, correctly focused, option B, not correctly focused, option C, said to have parallax, option D, free from parallax. Here the correct answer is option C, said to have parallax.